Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Ruth Eugenio Pajariliaga from the Philippines. I am married. My religion is Christian, and I have three brothers and one sister, and I am the third child of the family. I am a caregiver graduate, and I attend training at the hospital. My duties and responsibilities are to take care of the patients, take their vital signs, make sure that they are safe. Also, I give them a nutritious food and gave their vitamins and medicines based on the doctor's prescriptions. I help them to take a bath, change their clothes and diapers if it is needed, and change their beddings. I make sure also that my patients are be okay and feel love and the rest of their time to be with me as I take care of them. Also, I do my best to take care them with all of my heart passionately, and I love them as my own family. I have also experience of taking care of 7 years old girl. I make sure that the girl is well. I guide her and teach her good morals and values. Also, first day in the morning, I prepare her food and clothes before she is going to her school, and also when she go home, I help her to take a shower and change her clothes and feed them with nutritious food and teach her with her assignments. Also, I have experience of taking care of a toddler, a 2 years old baby boy. I make sure that the baby is always safe and okay. I First day in the morning, I check her diapers and get ready for her food like milk, and I prefer also her for her to take a bath, and also in a right time, and I take care of the baby whole day and night, and I make sure that the baby is safe and okay. And also, I have also experience of working as a household worker here in Philippines, and I make sure that the house is clean and well organized. I wash and ironing the clothes, and also I do marketing and car washing and cooking Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, and chicken curry. As of now, I already learned some basic of Chinese dishes, and also I am learning some of the Chinese language like in Cantonese, and I am very willing to learn um, all of the culture of the Chinese, and I am happy to be part of your family. Also, please, ma'am, sir, please give me a chance to hire me. I promise that I do my best to meet your expectation. I will be responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy, loyal, and know how to obey and be patient. And also, I'll do my best to take care of your family as long as I live in your home. I promise also that I do my best to make sure that your home is safe and be well organized and clean. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless everyone. See you in Hong Kong.